Let's start the amazing recipe of chili paneer. Start by taking 4 tablespoons of maida and 2 tablespoons of corn flour, then some salt and black pepper. For that red color, add some red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of oil. We have to make a thick slurry, so add little bit of water. I am using only 1/4 cup of water in 2 batches so that there are no lumps in the batter. Here I am adding little bit of corn flour because my slurry was little bit of thin, so I am making it thick. If you make it very thin, then the paneer wouldn't coat and wouldn't fry. Now coat the paneer with the batter. Now fry it in a medium hot oil till the paneer is golden brown. It will nearly take you 7 to 8 minutes. Take it out in a tissue paper. I am also frying the shelled onions. You can fry it afterwards, but here the oil was hot, so I am frying it. Also 1 shelled capsicum. You can use any color capsicum or you can skip it. In a wok or a kadhai, take 2 tablespoons of oil, then add ginger juliennes, 3 to 4 garlic cloves and 2 green chilies with some white part of green onion, some soy sauce, green chili sauce and red chili sauce. I am adding the sauces in the oil to get that very good smoky flavor, and little bit of vinegar for that amazing tangy punch. Fry it in the oil so that it is well smoked. Some salt, black pepper and little bit of sugar to balance the taste. Add some water so that all the sauces and spices are combined. Some Garam Masala or Chinese spice powder. Now here we are making the corn flour slurry. For that, take 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it and your corn flour slurry is all ready. Add little bit of water in the sauce, some green part of green onion. Now add the fried capsicum, onion and the fried paneer. Coat it well with the sauce which we have made. There was little bit of less sauce, so I am adding the other sauces right now. After mixing it, your dry chili paneer is ready. If you want the medium gravy, add the corn flour slurry. If you want the gravy with the chili paneer, don't add the corn flour slurry, only add some water. After mixing it and cooking it for a few seconds, here is your chili paneer ready. It is looking very good. It was very tasty. The taste of sauces and the smokiness was very good. Garnish it with the green part of green onion and your chili paneer is ready. Thanks for watching. Please give the video a like, share the video and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon beside it to get notified as soon as I post my new video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye and happy cooking.